Lori at the National Hardware Show here in Las Vegas, and Joe and Martha Stewart has kind of combined. And Lauren, tell us a little bit about this.
Debut of the Martha Stewart Garden Collection, which represents a collaboration between Snow Joe and Sun Joe. The brand that has brought you the latest innovation in lawn and garden equipment has now brought you a line personally curated and hand-tested tools from Martha Stewart. So including a dethatcher, pole saws, sprinklers, her favorite digging shovel, her favorite watering wands, her favorite plant food, her favorite bird feeders. So each of these pieces in the collection have been personally tested on Martha's farm, which is here in this beautiful picture as you see here. And to get these beautiful groundscapes, these are some of the tools that Martha uses, including these electric pressure washers and these portable pressure washers for quick cleanup jobs around the farm, outside the home, and patio furniture, lawn and garden equipment as well. And if we walk over here, you'll see Martha's personal favorites. This is Martha's favorite lawn and leaf bag. It's also great. You can even tote bricks in this bag. That's how durable it is and weather resistant. And it pops up and stands up. So if you're ever doing any weeding or gardening chores, any debris that's left over as you're weeding and cutting things or pruning, you can throw them in here. Or if you're raking the leaves, you can throw them right in and you can just easily tote it this way. As well as a really great lightweight all-purpose garden hose. These are Martha's favorite gloves. They're nitrile palm-coated gloves, so they have a really special texture here with a grip, so that you have a good grip on your hand and garden tools when you are using them. And if you notice, each of her pieces have been designed in earth-inspired nature hues. This is her mint. This is her slate and her black. So Martha really loves earth-inspired nature tones to feel like you're at one with nature when you are gardening. These are her favorite secateurs. These are pruners. These are made in Japan. These are handcrafted, high-quality steel. These are the pruners that Martha Stewart uses herself on her farm in Massachusetts. And this is another favorite of Martha. This is her hori digging knife. This is also Japanese steel, handcrafted and designed in Japan, and it has a ruler to gauge the measurements. It has a serrated edge, and it also has a flat edge as well. And it goes right inside. It comes with a leather sheath, so you can keep it protected when it's not in use. They also have her pruning sores and her lopping shears as well. And if we walk over to this side, over here, these are her favorite snow blowers when she needs to remove snow, because it does snow in Massachusetts as well as other parts of the U.S. And these are electric powered, as well as her leaf blowers. And this is to keep you on the go in the snow. These are the track assist and to place under the tires of your car to add traction under slippery conditions, and a really lightweight car shovel. And it comes as a kit in a nice bag. And one of the tools that Martha swears by is a nice drill bit driver to do handy projects, completely battery powered. It comes with all the different bit selection, so any project that you need to do around the house, you can get it done really easy and conveniently.
That is fantastic. You don't have to look for certain bits. It's all there. You don't need to go find anything.
Yes, everything's included. And these have all been just personal favorites of Martha, and we wanted to bring her collection to the forefront. And this is the debut at the National Hardware Show. And it has been available on QVC exclusively. And now we're hoping to expand the line and launch it at retail level so that all consumers can have the benefits of her personal favorites.
So besides QVC, is there a spot where a person can go? Is there a website?
This is brand new right now, and stay tuned because we will be launching the line at retail. We'll certainly let you know. But for right now, if you want to connect more and learn more about the Martha Stewart and Snow Joe and Sun Joe collaboration, visit snowjoe.com, snowjoe.com.
Wonderful. Thank you, Lauren.
Thank you.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.